Hello, boys and girls. My name is Cheryl Span. I am the STEAM instructor for the Boys and Girls Club. Today, I want to do the aluminum boat fall challenge with you. And the items you will need is a bucket, water, and aluminum foil, scissors, and some pennies or marbles. The first thing you have to do is get a 4x5 piece of aluminum foil, which is here. And once you get your foil, you're going to basically build a boat to make it sturdy enough to withhold pennies. And once you get your boat built for your pennies, you're going to take a bucket and fill it with water. And once you put the water into the bucket, then you would start to add the pennies one by one into the bucket to see if the buoyancy force would withhold the gravity from the pennies. Okay, here we go. Let's do our little challenge and see how this works. And you have stuff like this laying around home, so it shouldn't be a problem with being able to find the different types of material to build your boat. It's a very easy and simple, quick process for us doing this. So if you have any questions, feel free to notify me to let me know of the questions that you have that arises at hand, and I can get you the answers back to you, okay? So first you're folding and building your boat, and once you have it together, right now you can't see mine, but I've built my boat, and it's not much of a boat, it's just a real rectangle piece of aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it into the water, and I'm going to take my stack of pennies that I have, and I'm going to see how many pennies I can put in here before my foil falls. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera for a second. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So I was able to get 67 pennies in there before they actually caused my boat to sink from the force. And that's it for now. Stay tuned for another STEAM video on tomorrow.